If you invest in stocks or mutual funds, then you have definitely undergone KYC, and there are good chances your KYC was done by CVL, a subsidiary of India's largest depository, CDSL. The records of this biggest KYC registry agency in India has been exposed, leaving your personal details in the hands of hackers. A Chandigarh-based cybersecurity startup CyberX9 reported the vulnerability on 19th of October to CDSL, and the securities depository took around 7 days to fix it. The database was hacked again on 29th of October. CDSL was informed a day later, and the vulnerability was patched on the 1st of November. However, in the meantime, extremely sensitive personal and financial data of over 4 crore Indian investors had been leaked.
CDSL is the biggest depository of India, holding more than 5 crore demat accounts, and the data belongs to 4.39 crore people. It's a huge data, and it is the biggest financial data of till date any company or any organization has exposed it.
The exposed data includes some very personal and sensitive information. Investor name, PAN number, gender, marital status, date of birth, nationality, residential address, contact number, and email address. All information which is a gold mine for fishers and scammers. The sensitive personal and financial data exposed to massive numbers of people can lead to things like financial fraud, identity theft, as well as exposing people to extortion, targeted attacks, and income tax refund scams.
Anything is possible. Takeover of internet banking accounts and takeover of demat accounts, possible forgery of identity theft, and the biggest is Indian financial market is at risk.
This was once again a case of sheer negligence by CDSL in security-sensitive client data. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.